everybody, happy Sunday. Hope you're all doing well. Today's been a little bit of a lazy day, but that's okay. Today's recipe is spinach dip. I came up with this recipe all on my own and I kind of filmed it in case it turned out, and it did, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Just a few things to point out. When you wrap it in tin foil, that helps the bread from not drying out while it's in the oven heating. I actually learned that from my grandma yesterday, so that was a really nice tip for her to give me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let's get to it.